If you're rereading the same material 3 times and still forgetting it a week later, this video will change everything. I'm about to show you a free AI tool from Google that most people have never heard of, and a handful who have discovered it are using it completely wrong. They're treating a scalpel like a sledgehammer and missing out its true genius. Here's the brutal truth. You're not bad at learning. You're just using methods designed for pre-AI world. We're all stuck in the same broken system, sitting through lectures, taking disorganized notes, highlighting until our textbooks glow yellow, creating elaborate mind maps that looks like modern art but make zero sense a week later. And the worst part, we are drawing in information while our retention is at an all-time low. You spent hours studying only to forget 90% of it within days. It's not your fault. Traditional learning methods are slow, overwhelming, and built for surface-level understanding, not deep mastery. You can't build expertise on a foundation of sand. That's exactly where notebookLm comes in. This is Google's most underrated AI tool right now, and it's still completely free to use. But here's what makes it different. Think of it as your personalized knowledge companion, a dedicated research assistant that builds its entire brain from the material you provide. No distractions from the wider internet, just you, your curated content, and an AI ready to help you master it. Today, I'm giving you the exact 6 steps workflow I personally used to master a topic I knew nothing about in just 3 days. The step 1 goes against everything you've been taught. When you get new material, your instinct is to start reading from page 1, right? Stop doing that. Instead, perform a knowledge audit. Upload your textbook chapters, lecture notes, or research papers into a new notebookLm notebook. Then, and this is key, ask notebookLm to act as an expert and generate 20 challenging questions about the core concepts. This is your pre-test. The goal is to eliminate what you don't know before you waste a single minute studying the wrong things. This instantly reveals your knowledge gaps and gives you a baseline to measure against later. Now that you've taken your pre-test and probably stumbled on a few questions, it's time for result analysis. Go through your answers, the ones you guessed on. Here's where the magic starts. Ask notebookLm to analyze your weak areas based on the questions you missed. Tell it, I struggled with questions about X, Y, and Z. Create a personalized learning path that focuses on this specific concept. You're no longer blindly following a chapter list. You're focusing on finding time and energy where it will have the most impact. This is how you work smart, not hard. With your personalized path in hand, you're ready for the step 3. But we're still not diving into details. Before you get lost in the weeds, you need a mind map, a sort of bigger picture of the scene. Ask notebookLm to create a concept map or visual overview of the entire topic. There's a special button for that. This is one of its best features for visual learners. Once you've had that high-level structure, you can then go back in the chat and ask for analogies, real-world, real-life connections. For example, if you're learning corporate finance, ask, explain free cash flow using a household budget analogy. This builds a solid foundational understanding first and a sturdy scaffold to hang all the upcoming details on. You'll see how core ideas link together before you ever get bogged down in them. Now that you have the framework and the context, it's finally time for the deep dive. This is where notebookLm's most powerful feature shine, which is the source-grounded answers. Start asking highly specific questions, create detailed summaries of complex sections, generate new examples and case studies based on the principles in the material, because answers come only from your uploaded documents. You get laser-focused, relevant, accurate explanations without the distraction noise of the open internet. No ads, no questionable forum advice, no conflicting opinions from random bloggers. Just you, your accurate material, and focused AI ready to explain it. After your deep dive, it's crucial to check if the information actually stuck. This is step 5, knowledge validation. Go back to your original 20 questions from the pre-test and take it again. Then ask notebookLm to generate another question bank, let's say 10 questions, with more advanced questions to go deeper in the topic. This is now your post-test. Your goal here is to always get above 80% accuracy. For any question you still miss, don't just reread the material. That's passive and ineffective. Instead, use active learning. Ask notebookLm to explain the concept in a completely different way. Ask it to create a story about the topic. Then step away and try to recall the answer in an hour, then the next day. This is how you lock knowledge into long-term memory. Now we're finally going through the last step, which is the 6th one. You can read all the books you want, but knowledge isn't truly learned until it's applied. That's step 6, real-world application. Take what you've learned and use it to create something or to solve a problem. If you're learning to code, build a small app. If you're starting marketing, draft a marketing plan. A powerful method you can use here is the Feynman technique. This is where you can teach someone else the topic. Ask notebookLm to help you generate a lesson plan or simple presentation. There is a special button to create a video format overview, which you can use later for that purpose. The act of organizing your thoughts to explain them is one of the most powerful learning tools on the planet. This is how you make knowledge permanent. Quick pro tips to level up. First, upload multiple source types, a textbook chapter, a lecture transcript, and a research paper on the same topic. notebookLm will synthesize ideas across all 3. Second, use the audio overview feature for passive learning when you don't want to engage or focus on the material. Let's say you're going outside for a walk, you're at the gym, you're cleaning the house, making dishes. That's exactly when you would want to use that feature. Generate an audio version of your summaries and listen while cooking, commuting, or cleaning. Your brain will absorb the material effortlessly. Don't dump 2,000 pages in at once. Keep notebooks focused under 300 pages for snappy, precise replies. That's the entire system. 6 steps. 0 wasted motion. Audit your knowledge with a pretest. Analyze results to create a personalized study plan. Build the big picture framework. Deep dive with source-grounded answers. Validate with a post-test and apply it to the real world. Here's my challenge. Pick one topic you need to learn this week and try this workflow. Drop a comment below with your topic, or you can share your own challenge with us. If this method saves you hours of frustrating study time, hit the subscribe button for more AI hacks. Thanks for watching. Now stop rereading and start learning.